In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Trading 212 account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect, what to prepare, and how to avoid common mistakes so your verification goes through smoothly. First, verify your email. Right after you sign up, head to your inbox and look for the message from Trading 212. Open it and click the verification link inside. This confirms you own the email address linked to your account. If you don't see the message, check your spam or promotions folders and make sure you only click the link once to prevent duplicate requests. Keep the app open so it can register the confirmation right away. Next, complete the main verification by uploading your ID inside the app. Log in, follow the on-screen prompt, and choose the document you'll use: a passport, a driver's license, or a national ID. Pick the one that's most legible and up to date. Before you take the photo, clean the lens, use bright, even lighting, and lay the document on a flat surface. Make sure it isn't expired, the details match your account information, and all corners are visible. If your ID has two sides, capture both. Avoid glare, blur, heavy shadows, or filters, and don't crop or edit the image. Clear original photos are best. You'll then be asked to take a live selfie, often a short motion video. This step confirms it's really you, so it must be done on a mobile device during sign-up. Grant camera permissions, hold the phone steady at eye level, and position your face in the frame. Remove hats, sunglasses, and anything that might block your features. Follow any prompts, like turning your head slightly or blinking, and make sure your face is well lit and in focus so it closely matches your ID photo. Sometimes you'll also need to verify your address. If asked, upload a utility bill, a bank statement, or a tax document. It should clearly show your full name, your address, and a recent date, usually within the last 3 months. Use an official PDF or a photo of the paper document, not a screenshot, and keep all edges visible with no cropping. Check that the address matches what you entered in the app before you submit. Finally, wait for approval. Most reviews take anywhere from a few minutes to a day, though it can be longer if extra checks are needed. Be patient, avoid resubmitting unless you're prompted, and watch for a confirmation in the app. Once approved, you're all set to continue setting up your account.